So imagine losing your home in a fire and then finding out that your home insurance only covers half the rebuild cost. Unfortunately, that's the reality for many homeowners in the UK right now. The latest data shows that 76% of homes in the UK are underinsured. It's down from 81% last year, but it's still way too high. On average, properties in the UK are insured for 63% less than the actual rebuild cost. And on residential property, that falls down to 52%. So why is this happening? Well, firstly, people confuse market value with rebuild cost. Construction costs have absolutely soared in recent years. And many policies just roll over and get renewed without ever being updated. And the risk is that if you need to make a major claim, your payout could fall massively short. And that's both a financial hit and an emotional blow at the worst possible time. So what can you actually do? Well, first you can get a rebuild valuation on your property. A desktop assessment is now both easy and affordable. And don't just renew your policy every year automatically. I know it's a pain, but you need to make sure you review it. And when you do come to renew your policy, look at policies with stronger built-in protections, like de facto 5-star rated home insurance. These policies generally provide either unlimited or £1 million plus buildings cover. They have higher limits for alternative accommodation, and accidental damage cover is usually included. So yes, underinsurance is a massive problem in the UK. But choosing the right home insurance policy and checking your rebuild cost can give you peace of mind. Don't leave it till you have to make a claim to find out you're underinsured. Review your cover, and if you've got any doubts, speak to a professional.